This is the Mitsubishi passenger elevator at Southgate Mall, Pasay at the ground floor. So, let's go to the basement one. Okay, now let's wait. So we're at a ground. It's service elevator. Okay, so basement one. Here we go.
Face mask daw kasi ang ganda ng mata ni Sam na
Oops. What?
ano, parang hindi maliit.
Oops.
Parang malaki.
Hindi pa rin correct.
Hindi siya chinito. Laki ng mata niya.
Excuse me.
No.
Here we're at B1.
Wow, we're at B1.
Now let's wait until the door closes.
Thank you.
There it goes. That's